Hey guys, winter's coming fast, and before we know it, it's going to be dark at 4 o'clock. And I want to be able to keep working after the sun goes down, because I don't know about you, but my workload doesn't decrease just because the days are shorter. So I'm going to start doing some upgrades to my tractor to get ready for the winter. And I think the place to start is going to be replacing the factory headlight bulbs and the rear fender light bulbs with LED bulbs from JDMaster. The factory headlights on this tractor are 50-watt incandescent bulbs, and the fender lights are 35-watt bulbs. So I bought a set of 50-watt LEDs for the fender lights and some really trick new S6 lights to replace the headlight bulbs. Now on my rear fender lights, I'm going to replace these 35-watt incandescent bulbs that came with the tractor with these 50-watt LED units that have 10 5-watt LEDs on them. They put out a color temperature of 6000 K, which is white light. Now, I had actually bought these 50 watters about 2 months ago, right after I bought the tractor, and I had meant to do a video about them then, but I waited until I got the bulbs for the headlights. These are just a direct replacement. Just pop them in, twist them just like the factory bulb, plug them in. So on the factory bulb, we've got 15,943 lux, whatever that means. Let's try it on the other one. Wow, 41,337. That's quite a difference. Now, going off the numbers of the lux meter on my phone, the new LEDs were putting out about 2.5 times more light than the factory incandescents, but the real test will be here in a couple hours when it gets a little darker. We'll see what it looks like then. Well guys, I'll be the first to admit that filming lights in the dark is like filming fireworks. It's just not the same. But trust me, these things were awesome. Massive improvement over stock. I wish I was able to film the original headlights, but you probably wouldn't have seen anything because there's just no comparison. These new bulbs are so much brighter. And I'll put links to both sets of bulbs in the description. But anyway, I appreciate you guys watching as always, and we'll see you soon.